So last year I spent 3 weeks watching AI tutorials every evening. Notion automations, Zapier, N10, Make, you name it, and I've done it. I had 14 browser tabs open at one time and I was taking notes, and I genuinely felt like I was doing something. My work did not get any better, and it took me an embarrassingly long time to figure out why. So, if you're learning AI tools and wondering why none of it is actually changing anything for you, I think I know what's going on. I've gone through this, so I can say this. So, in those 3 weeks when I was learning these tools, I didn't know what I needed these tools for. So, I was learning them in abstract and hoping the use case would show up later. And that is not how it works, because a tool without a job is just software sitting in your laptop essentially. I had this feeling every evening that I was keeping up, like I was not falling behind the way everyone else seemed to be racing ahead and I was in it. But I hadn't once stopped and asked myself, what am I actually trying to make faster? What am I doing every week that is slow and boring? And I keep putting off because it costs me so much time. I had no answer to that question. So I kept learning instead. The thing is, I do use AI tools every now and then, and these tools have genuinely changed the way I work. But the ones that I actually use, I found them because I had a problem to solve, and the tool just made it faster. I didn't learn the tool and then try to find the problem. It's the other way around. I had the problem first and then I went looking. That's the sequence. I had a client once, a freelancer, a genuinely smart person, and she spent 2 months learning AI outreach tools before she figured out her offer. She could automate 500 cold emails a week. She didn't know what to say in one email. The tools were fully set up and ready to go, and there was nothing for them to do. And I watched her do this, and I recognized it because I had done exactly the same thing. The learning felt urgent and real because everyone around you is talking about AI, and it feels irresponsible for you to not learn it. So you learn it, and the dopamine that you get out of it, it feels like you're doing something, but your work stays exactly where it was. It does not change anything. I'm not saying don't learn these tools. I replaced a teacher with AI and passed a German exam in 90 days. So I'm not here to tell you that it does not work. It works. But I knew exactly what I needed when I went looking. I found the tool that could help me learn things better, and I used it, and I actually passed an exam. So I wasn't browsing aimlessly. I had a very specific output that I was working for. Before you open another tutorial or any other course and spend your time doing that, write down everything that you did last week, that you did more than once, everything you solved manually that took you a lot of time, everything you kept skipping because it was too tedious and you didn't have the energy to do it. That is your list. That is your actual AI curriculum. So go through it, pick the most painful thing on it, and then find one tool that could solve one thing. That's how you will not only be learning AI but actually using it, and it will actually change something in your life. So the people who are getting the real value from AI right now, they didn't learn the tools first. In fact, they didn't even learn most of the tools. They knew what they needed before they actually started learning. So I just want to know, what is that one thing on your list that you have been sitting on for months and that can be automated or made faster using AI? Write down in the comments below.